everyone. You had a shave. I know, look, baby face. Weight reduction, bro. Anyway, so Motive DVD has invited me to Sydney Dragway because they have collaborated with Street Effects, Xbox Australia, and today is the official launch of Forza Horizon 3 in stores. So there is a HSV R8 and the Street Effects R32 GDR. They have been battling it out for the past few weeks. There was a dyno competition in Queensland, and now they're down here for the drag racing showdown. But the rule was that the cars actually have to be in the game. So I've been invited by Motive DVD to go down, as I might be doing some car sounds just to entertain the live stream viewers at home and to give everyone a laugh. Got a pun for the Bruce. It's Michi Gang. If only had the same motor.
Alright, well let's look around. It is a special occasion.
It's not because it's Andrew from Motive DVD, it's actually because it's my friend Danny Boy. You know him as Human Car Sounds. Pretty obvious what that actually means. So we're competition.
Rightio.
And this all just happened because you were an idiot on YouTube one day.
3 minutes of fame has taken me to the Middle East, to Russia.
Alright, cool. We've got a few people online.
How many people we got?
At the moment it's only 1,000, but it's climbing pretty quick.
You're right. You know what? I reckon 2 minutes we'll have 5,000.
Alright.
Watching,
share it.
This and get it around. Because Danny, Human Car Sounds. Here we go.
What have you got? You got like what, 8 million views or something last time? I can't remember.
Mate, countless. It's gone over. I reckon it's gone
We're in Sydney. I've got a lot of hectic mates here. Let's make this easy. Let's start with 13B turbo on the 2-step, then doing a wheel stand.
Done.
Alright.
Gotta build up that boost.
Do my road impersonation?
Yeah, go for it.
Nothing.
Hang on, we need more oil.
Okay, so we got rotary. That's for Sydney. How about for Melbourne people? Let's do a Melbourne one. VL? But full hectic Melbourne
With a
VL
dose
motor.
pipe, bro.
Stupid dose. This has got a lot of dose at the moment too, actually.
It does.
So I want huge dose. The biggest dose ever heard by a Melbourne WOG ever. Hey, where's Anthony Matok? Alright, now we're going to do one that's appropriate for what's been happening in Queensland.
Yeah.
V10 Lamborghini. Can you do it?
it needs more crackles on the downshift.
No, that was a Gallardo. That's why.
Oh, it's a Gallardo, not a Hurricane.
That's why, mate.
Gotcha.
I got a challenge.
Yeah.
If you can do this, someone from Forza needs to get on this. All right. Forza Horizon 3 sponsored Ken Block Gymkhana 9. Can you do Ken Block's latest Gymkhana car? And I want to know exactly when you're going over the train tracks in front of the train. And can you do the train doing the horn? That's what I want to know. All right. This is a challenge, people. We're going to do this.
People are asking for Formula 1 as well.
Oh, they're requesting Formula 1.
People are asking.
We do Formula 1 first.
Yeah, we'll do Formula 1.
That's a good warm up. All right.
Need a bit of Kimi Räikkönen going, shut up, I know what I'm doing. Nice.
Oh, that's so good.
That's
I don't
awesome.
even know what to ask next.
No, well, the only other thing people...
What, we've got any more requests?
We've had RZ Turbo, sorry, Super RZ.
Supra?
Alright guys, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube for the latest videos. Thank you.
Awesome, awesome, awesome.
What can I say? It was an awesome event. I'm glad that I got to see the Street FX R32 GTR and the Forza HSV R8 battle it out. That was awesome. Ben ran a 10.3, which is his personal best. I didn't get any footage of his car because when I got there he had a fuel line leak, so after that he didn't want to risk it because it was leaking and he just got it back home. Just want to say thanks to Andrew from Motive DVD for inviting me to come down and do some live streaming for Street FX. It was awesome. I was a little bit disappointed doing the car noises because it was so windy doing the noises, and you got the car, we had the drifters behind us, so I'm trying to do it as loud as I can, and with the wind hit me in the face my mouth started getting dry, and one of the things that I need when I do the car noises. I need a lot of like saliva, and just like a car, I need to stay lubricated when I do the noises. So it was windy as shit. My mouth got so dry, which didn't make the car noises sounds, you know, that great. I've done them better. But yeah, I was so happy to do it because, you know, it's Forza Horizon, you know, DVD, you know, Street Effects. But yeah, that was mad. You know, Forza, if you want to hit us up, you know, do a 26B, 13B, you know. No, just jokes. Now I'm gonna probably head off to the gym. Yeah, right, I'm gonna go play some Forza. Yo!